Hey kiddos, let's learn about jungle animals. This is a monkey, 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 monkey. This is an elephant, 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 elephant. This is a lion, 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 lion. This is a bear, bear, bear. This is a parrot, 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 parrot. This is a gorilla, gorilla, gorilla. This is a snake, snake, snake. This is a tiger, 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 tiger. This is a toucan, toucan, toucan. This is a koala, 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 koala. This is a leopard, 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 leopard. This is a zebra, 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 zebra.